am Nitin Joshi from SAN Group of Companies. We are mainly in electronics manufacturing of various items. I have found this Tech Pe Charcha very interesting. AI, I have used ChatGPT many times, but I did not know which are the various tools to use. Let's say create presentation and how to switch between various tools and then make them really effective for using to improve the day-to-day efficiency. And certainly this is an interesting subject. I'm running about 3 to 4 MSMEs in our group. Each one could leverage and really save time, improve efficiency of all the team members.